take me through that, take me through that.
She gone, out of that booth, she gone. Out of that over the air, she gone. I'm taking her up through there. Two on my go-to player. High jump, 2 players. Got body like she went on a drill. Look like she go trim. Cut it, get it on film. 4 course meal, she ate up the drip. She wanna go through there, yeah. Pop me in one name, tryna get fried. Take another piece of the fried. Gas up, shout it, up through there. The cool like a writer for real. I told her charge me up, my phone died. She going no kill, yeah.
Take me through that, take me through that.
She gone.
Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that.
Up through there.
Take me through that, take me through that.
She gone.
Take me through that, take me through that.
We going twin.
Take me through that, take me through that.
We going there.
Take me through that, take me through that.
We going.
Take me through that, take me through that.
Take her through there, bust her down just like the watch. Long Tuesday, they get up right at the spot. Gotta go. She the blood in them, they ain't even having a lie. She don't know what she doing, this just giving it. What the hell? Girl that a wham in a circle, even if a little make a jump like a hurdle. Girl that a wham in a circle, even if a little make a jump like a hurdle. Girl that a wham in a circle, even if a little make a jump like a hurdle. Even that was small, still throw that.
Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that. Take me through that, take me through that.
We going twin.
Take me through that, take me through that.
We going there.
Take me through that, take me through that.
We going.
Take me through that, take me through that.
What the hell? Girl that a wham in a circle, even if a little make a jump like a hurdle. Girl that a wham in a circle, even if a little make a jump like a hurdle. Girl that a wham in a circle, even if a little make a jump like a hurdle.
When you down, when you on, bitch, when you down, when you on, when you down, yeah, you on, when you down, bitch, when you.
Okay, y'all, let's learn from my mistakes. We had to go in again because it was definitely too red. We used darkest brown. Thank God for my cousin. She came and brought it to me. So yeah, we're gonna wait like 5 minutes for this to sit in and then we're gonna wash it out.
Okay, big daddy, oh, these niggas know I'm on they road. Big fish, I'm O2 road. Bitch, that mean I'm on the road. Good brain, on the road. I need that on my soul. I'm riding the beat, damn, yeah, on my toes. I compete range, I went pink rain. I went caught me a grill, I went Johnny Dane. I'm still shitting on bitches, let me go chain. I went Cuban links, they went broke chain. See on the nose swim, this is channel 22. Pussy nigga, what you wanna do? Riding with a fire, so it's gonna tune. Yeah, head, hunting too. Oh, he know what he come to do. Riding around with some beat.
Look my person.
Make fun of too, but my name ain't fun me. I'm who niggas wanna be. Your name need bitches KJ, cause these hoes sons of me. Pussy geek wanna give me cunniline. Got my stripes like a bumblebee. Bouncing on the shit right to left. Bitch, I'm hitting my shoulder lean. Pussy, damn, I'm putting you on. Big Leo, I'm song for song. This ass so fat. I'm going thong for thong. I'm a dog, he is too. We going bone for bone. He beat my shit from the back. He love when I scream. I'm going cone. Bitch, damn, put you down. Put you on. 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 Packing the ass like strippers. Yeah, I'm packing the A like flipper. This ice on me, I'm chilly. 3 times I went triple dipper. Bitch, it's going down like a zipper. I'm holding him tight, I'm a gripper. He beating my shit with a straight face. Lining me up like a clipper. I don't give a fuck about a nigga. I don't give a fuck about a bitch for real. I really the shit for real. I really that bitch for real. I'm popping this shit in real life. They popping that shit for real. They not having shit going on. That's why they can't get a deal. When you down, when you on, when you down, when you on, when you down, when you on, when you down, when you on.
Be on the phone.
Michael's Big
Lost
they tryna get God. Her name is Angel, but she's far from God. Say they don't pay well to fall in love. Must be the start, but something's lining up. Not my exit was bad, but you find out. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Somebody who loves me in that building. Somebody who feels me in the feeling. We throw 50,000 in the ceiling. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. We in Miami turning up another night. We took the trophy, let the shorties take the yacht. We all in Santos, I rented out the spot. Friends, all of my friends, and they tryna get God. Her name is Angel, but she must forgot. She said her bestie wanna get home and swap. I said I'm shy, baby, and that's doing a lot. I'm tryna do more than bust down your wide. I need somebody who gon' meet me at the top. Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Say they don't pay well to fall in love. I need the stars or something lining up. Thought my ex bitch was bad, but you find out. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Somebody who loves me in that building. Somebody who feel me in the feeling. We throw 50,000 in the ceiling. Oh yeah, I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me. And that's all I need. Yeah.
Pick up another you call in the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? We're standing with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Looking up, you get a roof on. Like you haul, and I know we need to go slow, but we could go faster. Maybe the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Happy nice things. Slide, from the other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get smashed instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe? What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe? What would I do? If I didn't love you? Wanna be the one to give you what you want. Not the words you want, you should have run. Right around town with your hair done. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. You can do what you do and what you want. I can tell your friends you need to work up. You need to go slow, but we can go faster. Let me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Happy nice things. Slide from the other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get smashed instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. But what I do? I didn't love you, babe. What would I do? I didn't love you.
Say what? Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling. Scheming on you and your homies. Every first day of summer, all grown down in the Hummer thing. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. Play all day, walk on the line. Say what? You know that I like it.
Now let me leave y'all a review for this wig. The shedding, I said the shedding is okay because the fact that it's a deep wave wig and that it's 613. It did take the color really good. However, I feel like the curls could be more defined, but also I've never had 613 curly hair before, so I feel like the curls could be a little more defined. I also feel like the wig could be more fuller. Other than that, it's cool or whatever. Like, I'm not really tripping about it. Yeah. The lace blend really great. I'm not gonna cap to you. Let me fix my baby hairs. The lace not bad at all.